wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best tabletop wet grinders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. Though a bit pricey, the Ultra Big Plus is one of the best options for those who want something designed for home use that offers a large capacity. At £30, it is rather heavy though, and may be difficult for the average person to move around a kitchen if needed. It's virtually vibration-free and comes with a 5-year warranty on the motor. However, it is noisier than many others. At number 5, the SS Premier Small Wonder is a space-saving option that should fit easily on most countertops. It rotates at a slow speed with a low temperature to preserve the nutrients of your ingredients and can operate continuously for hours. It handles small batches well and is a good choice for use with chocolate, but it doesn't always make smooth batter. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Ultra Grind Plus Gold features patented conical stones that not only ensure an efficient operation, since they have a large surface area that covers nearly the entire base, but are also said to produce less heat than cylindrical ones. It works at a consistent pace, and the bowl can be used for food storage. It comes with a helpful batter cleaner. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop wet grinders, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, those with little counter space will appreciate the small footprint of the SS Premier Tilting, which is thanks to a stacked design with the drum being directly over the motor. It allows you to pour out the contents without having to lift anything. This one's easy to disassemble for cleaning and includes a coconut scraper. It stays cool during use. At number 2, with a modest 1.25 litre capacity, the Ultra Dura Plus is a good choice for homes that make small quantities of pastes from lentils and other grains. It's crafted from a high-quality food-grade ABS plastic with a rust-proof stainless steel drum. It operates quietly and includes an atta kneader. It takes just 30 minutes to grind rice. And taking the top spot on our list, despite its name, the SS Premier Compact actually has a 2-litre capacity, which is more than enough for the average user. It's got a double reduction gear drive to improve its longevity without inhibiting its performance, so it can still make a fine batter quickly. It's equipped with chip-resistant stones and a powerful 200-watt motor. It's good for a variety of applications. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop wet grinders, or simply click beneath this video.